I'm hungry. Maybe it's breakfast time. What time do you eat breakfast, Christopher?
8 o'clock.
What time did you eat breakfast?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Now, what time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
But I'm really, really, really hungry. I want to eat dinner too. All three, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What time do you eat dinner?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? Can we eat them all right now?
Yes.
Are you hungry?
No.
Hey, Doobie Doobop! I found the words for today!
Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 7.
It's 7 o'clock.
The mouse ran down.
It's time for breakfast.
Hickory, dickory, dock.
It's 7 o'clock. It's time for breakfast. Yummy!
Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 12.
It's 12 o'clock.
The mouse ran down.
It's time for lunch.
Hickory, dickory, dock.
It's 12 o'clock. It's time for lunch. Yummy!
Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 6.
It's 6 o'clock.
The mouse ran down.
It's time for dinner.
Hickory, dickory, dock.
It's 6 o'clock. It's time for dinner. Yummy!
Hickory, dickory, dock. Hickory, dickory, dock.
Kids English School.
키즈